Shamanism. Is anybody aware of this disease, shamanism? Anyone? Sir, are you aware of this disease, sir? Okay, it is a disease, a deadly disease, which is going to affect the entire world in a couple of years. Why I call it as deadly disease is, once you are affected by this disease, you will have bubbles all over your body. In weeks of time, your intestine or your internal organs will stop functioning one after the other. I am the only scientist who has completely researched on this. I've started working on the required medicine for this disease. All over the world, I'm the only scientist who has researched on this completely. Just imagine that the person who's sitting next to you has this problem, or one among your family member has this disease. Dear sir, I request you to give the heart to me. I wanted to save the entire world. Thank you.